And this is the RM930 rowing machine. I haven't opened the box yet, so let's get into it. And that's what it looks like as we open it. I'll take everything out. As you can see, it's well packaged. So I have to open up a bit more and I'll have it assembled and laid out on the floor and we'll check it out shortly. And these are all the components that came in the box, extremely well packed. It took me quite a while to get them out. Now I have to assemble them, which I will do shortly. We have the main assembly with the bits that you pull out for the arms. You've got your dial on the side here, a little LED display. You need batteries which have been supplied in the instruction manual, so they will be fitted. A little phone holder or a tablet holder. Set of tools. Couple of rails on the back here, which are left and right. You've got a little holder. Another screwdriver. And a few little bits and pieces here. And there's so many things to go together. We've got the seat, and there's a couple of leg holders or foot holders, and we've got these supports which we have to bolt in, and I will do them again shortly, and we will have a good look at this thing. Once it's all assembled, we'll work out what everything does. And this is the rowing machine itself. And a really good feature of the rowing machine is when you're finished with it, you can stack it in a corner or against a wall. It takes up hardly any room. Okay, I've got it fully assembled. I'm amazed at how the seat just slides. There's no pressure at all. The settings on the actual rowing part, I've got it on maximum at the moment, and believe me, no, there's a bit of weight in it. And we've got also a screen, an LED, that shows you how many strokes you've done, tells you how many calories you've used. So it's pretty impressive. It's also got another one which says scan, so I'm not quite certain what that's supposed to mean. But it's a bit of fun. One thing I have learnt from it is when you go to get off, just make certain you've got it right back and then you lift yourself forward. What I did before is I had the seat roughly halfway, and as I've stood up, the seat's gone back, and yeah, not nice. So we're looking at this little screen and we'll start pulling. And as you can see, the count is increasing. When you press this little button here, jumps across, shows you your, I suppose your bit of exercise you've been doing. I've rowed for 0.07, so not very long, 25 strokes. So as you can see, 3.5 calories I've burnt. So the console area is quite nice. You've got the controller down the bottom here. So you can set it to whatever you want. That's the lowest setting, so it's the easiest to sort of pull it back and do a bit of a row. And as you can see, the number is increasing and the calorie count is going up. So you can actually adjust this to whatever you like. There's a little triangle here and it shows you what setting you've got it on. So as you increase the setting, so does the effort required to do the rowing. You've got your little bottle down here, your little holder, which is great. So if you get thirsty, you can have a drink. And what is also interesting is up on the top here, You've got a holder so you can put your iPad or your tablet, sit it up on there, and you can pretend you're rowing and sort of watch your screen. I'm going to have a bit of a play with something later and see if it works. Yeah, I thought I'd put a video on showing a bit of boat activity, a bit of rowing, add a bit of interest for me. Kind of relaxing, actually. My final thoughts on the rowing machine. It's definitely a lot of fun. You'll get a full body workout and you can monitor your progress on the LED screen. It shows you how many strokes you've done, tells you how far you've travelled, and on top of that, it tells you how many calories you've burnt. Overall, great device. And when you're finished with it, just simply lift it up on its end, pop it in a corner. Takes up hardly any room at all in the house, which is great. Now, hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. If you have, thumbs up, thumbs down, either way, doesn't matter. Leave a comment, I'd appreciate that. And with a bit of luck, might get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the very best till then. Bye for now.